Howdy, howdy, guys. Welcome back to cruzermans inventions. Well, we got another speedrun test. Yesterday, I done the speedrun test on the bike. Well, a bit of a glitch test, actually. What happened was, when I came back and I put the battery, the bike on the charge and that, it actually blew up a battery. So, the thing wasn't fully charged when I actually done the glitch test. But now it's a speedrun test, and we got this thing, new batteries in it and stuff. We're right up about 77 volts. And so, yeah, we're going to take it for, I've got an app with me, so we'll be able to see the speed on the run. So let's do it, guys. Cool. Alright, so, yep, you're still with me. So this is it here, guys. And, so I'm going to push start. Oh, start now. Oh, don't you just hate that screen just, come on. Oh, well, we got... Oh, here we go. Don't you just hate that, eh? Your screen automatically goes huge like that. And, alright, let's try that again. Start. It's on. Okay, here we go, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. So, we're just going to go for a long run and see. Yeah, we got 77.3, guys. So, here we go, guys. Hopefully I can launch it. Yep, we're doing it. We're doing it. Here we go. Slowly does it. Alright, here we go, guys. Bit more. Whoa, here we go. Holy. Yep. 43 k's was the speed to beat. We're doing that now. 45. Holy crap. I don't know if you can see that, guys. 45.5. I don't think she's going to go any faster, guys. 46. We hit 46. 46.5. Oh yeah. 46.6. Oh wait, man, that's cool. We're not hitting 50 k's though, guys. But oh yeah, no more squeaking too. I put some oil on the front pads. Oh. Okay, that was gear 1. Now we're gonna do gear 3. Okay, so here we go. That was only gear 1. I don't think it's going to go any faster. Slowly easing into it, very slowly. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, launching off. I should have lapped it in gear 3 first. 47. Woo! You hit 47. 47. Come on, Bill. 47.3. 47.3, guys. I just flicked it back to middle gear. And it's still about the same. man, is that cool. Woo. Oh yeah. So we're actually gaining. We've gained another 4Ks? Well, where are we going? Oh, we're off to the moon. Alright. Holy moly. Oh, 26. Yeah, we're hitting 47 for sure, guys. For sure. See if I can get some downhill slope speed, eh? So we'll just go from here. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Woohoo! Here we go. Did it. Yeah. Still about the same. We didn't really go any faster. But hey, we hit 47. So, uh, so that is good. We definitely hit 47, guys. That was gear 3. And so we're going to see how much battery life is left. Yeah, we got 71 volts still in the clock, guys. Oh. I just go through some things, turn this off for a minute. See if I can get you out of my pocket. Oh, that's a long vid. Okay, guys. Well, we definitely hit more than 43 Ks, guys. So I'm going to spend the rest of the day uploading this now. So one more look over the bike. Awesome stuff, guys. Cruzerman out. See you in the next vid coming up. The Carcass is going to get a 3000 watt controller, so we're going to do a speed run on that as soon as it's in. So cool. See you in the next vid, guys. Cruzerman out.